In today's video, we're answering a super common question: what is DreamHost? What is DreamHost used for? And most importantly, why might DreamHost be the right hosting provider for you? Also providing you with a DreamHost discount so you can save money on your DreamHost domain name and web hosting purchase. You'll get anywhere from 63% off up to 72% off over DreamHost monthly pricing, plus you get a free domain. To take advantage of the DreamHost discount, just click the link in the description below. The discount is automatically applied. A little disclosure: the link is an affiliate link. May not receive a commission from DreamHost at no extra cost to you. Plus you get an awesome DreamHost discount. So what is DreamHost? DreamHost is a web hosting and domain name registration company that's been around since 1997. That's over 25 years helping people get their websites online. They host over 1.5 million websites and they're officially recommended by WordPress.org, which is a big deal. DreamHost is used for one main thing: hosting websites, but within that, they offer a bunch of useful services like shared hosting, perfect for beginners or small websites, managed WordPress hosting for fast, secure WordPress sites, VPS hosting, more power and control for growing businesses, dedicated hosting, your own server for high traffic websites, cloud hosting, scalable and developer friendly, website builder, beginner friendly drag and drop tools to create a professional looking site without coding, domain name registration, getyour.com, .net, .org, etc. Email hosting, professional email at your domain. So whether you're creating a personal blog, a portfolio, an online store, or a client's website, DreamHost has a hosting plan to match. DreamHost also offers a full suite of pro services if you want expert help or just don't have time to do it all yourself. They offer web design and web development, website management services including site transfers, site updates, hack site repair. If your site's ever compromised, they'll help you recover fast. DreamCare, their premium service for website monitoring, management, and site optimization. Boost your website speed, performance, and overall user experience. SEO marketing, improve your search rankings and get found on Google. Social media marketing, build your online presence and engage with your audience. So whether you need a brand new site, help maintaining one, or want to grow through digital marketing, DreamHost has a team ready to help. Now let's talk about why you might want to go with DreamHost. Affordable pricing. Their shared hosting starts at just $259 a month. Free domain, free SSL, daily backups, 97-day money-back guarantee. That's one of the longest in the industry. No upsells or hidden fees. Very beginner-friendly. 100% uptime guarantee. They're serious about reliability. Plus their custom control panel is super easy to use, especially if cPanel overwhelms you. So to recap, DreamHost is a powerful, reliable, and affordable hosting provider that's beginner-friendly, trusted by WordPress, and packed with features to help you build and grow your website. Whether you're starting a side hustle or scaling an online brand, DreamHost gives you the tools to make it happen. I hope this DreamHost tutorial video helped you understand what DreamHost is, what it's used for, and why you might want to use it too. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment. Let us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more DreamHost hosting tutorial videos.